Hey everyone, so today is December 31st, 2025. So if you're watching today, then happy New Year's Eve. If you're watching after today's date, then happy New Year to everyone. All right, so this 2026, I am not doing any type of extreme New Year's resolutions. I'm going to be focusing on a gentle New Year reset. If you're going to be starting over quietly like I am, then this video is definitely for you. Last year just taught me something really important. Like sometimes you have a lot of motivation and then sometimes you just literally don't feel like doing anything at all. So instead of trying to change everything overnight all at once, I mostly want to focus on rebuilding trust with myself through repeatable habits, basically. No pressure, no perfection, just consistency. So there's three main things that I'm going to be focusing on this year. One is going to be my modified alternate day fasting. All right, so first let's talk about the alternate day fasting. So the strict alternate day fasting is when you do one day no calories, next day you eat at maintenance, next day no calories, next day eat at maintenance. You just keep going in that cycle. But I'm going to be doing the modified version. So that will look like one day 500 calories, next day eat at maintenance, next day 500 calories, next day eat at maintenance. You just keep alternating it like that. And the reason I'm doing the alternate, the modified instead of like the strict ADF is because I did read Krista Verde's book. Her book is like really, really, really good if you want to like get extra information and research studies about alternate day fasting. And actually, most of the alternate day fasting studies were done with the modified fast. So a lot of people will be like, you're really not fasting. Da, 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 da. Like, it's not that serious. This year, we're focusing on what? Consistency over perfection. So if 500 calories will help you be consistent, aka me, then that's what I'm gonna do. And I've actually done modified ADF before. I've done it several times, and it does work, but you just have to stick to it. You might be like, well, what happened? Like, why aren't you still doing it? Like, what happened? I do have binge eating tendencies. I don't talk about it much, but I stress eat and I binge eat, and it's particularly high calorie sweet foods like cookies, cakes, frappes, like anything like super, super sugary. So that's another thing that I'm working on this year. But anyway, to work on that, we're going to be doing modified alternate day fasting. It's not a form of abuse. It is a form of me having structure and discipline and consistency. All right, so the second thing that I want to focus on is daily movement of at least 30 minutes a day. So that may look like taking a 30-minute walk. That may look like riding my stationary bike while looking at Netflix. Just something that I don't have to worry about an intense workout or like just something that I know I'm going to dread. Just I want to focus on low impact and something that I can be consistent at. The third thing that I'm focusing on is no more hitting the snooze button. No more negotiating with myself about 5 more minutes or how much longer I can lay here before I really, really need to get up. Like, no negotiating. I just want to, when the alarm goes off, I want to get up. I want to sit up. I want to get up. I don't even want to think about anything. And I've read that it's good to keep your phone in the bathroom where you'll like have to get up and go turn it off instead of like having it in bed. So that's definitely something I think I'm going to implement. So to sum everything up, this year for me it's going to be about a mindset shift. I basically just I want to become a woman who keeps promises to herself. I want to be consistent and just do what I say, and I say what I mean and do what I say. So I want to give encouragement to anyone who may be restarting whatever type of journey that you're on. If you're falling off last year, if you're starting again for the 10th time, it does not matter. You're right on time. You're right where you need to be. We can't change anything in the past. We can't change anything in the future. All that we can focus on is right here, today, right now. So let me know down in the comments what's one promise that you're going to keep to yourself this year, even if it's just something small. Like, what's one thing that you just really want to focus in and show up for yourself? Definitely let me know down in the comments. So that's pretty much it, you guys. If you have any questions or comments, just let me know. Thanks for watching.